Welcome back to WBRZ News 2 at 4. Dr. Z is here today to talk about a skin rejuvenation procedure. So tell us about this.
All right, Brittany. Well, as you know, I've entered my 6th decade. Let me see, 1, 2. Anyway.
Congratulations.
These procedures are near and dear to my heart because I am growing old gracefully. But this is one of the newest things. And this technology actually combines microneedling, if you will. It has some tiny pins in here and radio frequency heat. And the pins go into the skin. It's called sublative treatment. And then the heat in the form of radio frequency is delivered in between the pins, which are underneath the skin surface. That does two things: stimulates collagen and stimulates elastin in your skin. So this is my new favorite. I'm all set up to actually
try it on me.
Scar that you have.
I had a little minor cooking accident.
Yes,
these things happen.
Highly advising against cooking. So we just basically push this down against the skin, and that was it. What does that
real
feel
quick?
like? Real
just
quick.
A slight pinch.
I'm going to do one more. All right. And that heat is delivered superficially to your skin. You basically keep sunscreen on it for a couple of days. And then we don't want, you can keep the sunscreen. Actually, you can keep Band-Aid on this. But you'll see results in a few weeks. And actually for scars, I love it for scars, for acne scars, even stretch marks, stria, and then traumatic scars, surgical scars. You'll need to do 3 treatments 1 month apart. Depending on the area of your body, neck, face, scar size area, it's anywhere from $150 to $500.
Okay.
So relatively inexpensive. If you do your full face, you'll notice for 2 days it'll look like you had a sunburn. You'll feel a little swollen. Actually, the last time I did mine was on a Saturday, and I went to church on Sunday, and no one knew. I was able to put on makeup, so it's very little to no downtime. Pain, you actually come in and add some topical numbing medicine for an hour at the office.
Okay.
And then feels like maybe 3 out of 10 pain. Some people say 0 out of 10. And I actually have some before and after pictures.
Okay, let's take a look at those.
Great. Okay, so this is after 3 treatments, and you can see this woman is a little bit older. She may be in her 7th decade as opposed to me being in my 6th. And treatments are, like I said, usually 1 month apart, 4 weeks apart.
And this was on her entire face?
And that was done on her entire face.
Okay.
And little to no downtime. I love it for acne scarring. Wow, what a difference this makes in this young girl's face. I love it, love it, love it. So there is no reason to walk around with scars. We can treat them. The younger you are, the better it is to get the better treatment results and the fewer treatments you need. Again, acne scarring. And so this was 4 weeks after her 3rd treatment, and she can go on. She can do more treatments. I actually advise for this type of scarring at least 5 treatments, and then you wait for 3 months, and then you may want to do another 1 or 2. But this is my new favorite treatment. And I actually have 2 machines, one in my Prairieville office and one in the Baton Rouge office. And I am going to do this as my maintenance. So I may do this 3 times a year. Every 4 months or so, I'm going to do this treatment on myself. The tips, like you saw, are disposable, so that's one of the costs, but that's included in that cost of treatment from $150 to $500. So what did you think?
I mean, there's still a little bit of, you can feel that something was there tingling, but yeah, it didn't hurt.
And so the 2nd day is you have the most swelling.
Okay.
Some people swell more than others, but usually it's just like a sunburn, and then by the 2nd day, really, the 2nd day post-op. So you have the procedure, then the 1st day post-op, you have the most swelling. The 2nd day, little to none, and 3rd day, absolutely none.
All right, fascinating. We'll have to swing back around and check on it in a couple weeks.
Yes, I'll have to bring it back, and I'll get you next time.
All right, and we also have a basket to give away. This will be for caller number 10. If we can pop that number up on our screen here, that is 225-336-2321. Caller number 10. We have the rules on our website, WBRZ.com. We'll be right back.